Next bit I am going to explain third bit, sixth question, third bit, exercise 1.4. Okay, now 1 by this is the given question with the denominator what it is there with opposite sign we should rationalize it, and 1 into this number means that only a plus b into a minus b form we can write a square minus b square, and as it is this numerator divided by a 3 square means 9 into 2 minus 4 into 3. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 18 minus 12. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 6 it will be. Okay, next fourth one. See this number. Here we can rationalize with denominator opposite side minus. Okay, this number into this number as it is write down. Here different numbers is given, that's what individual only you can write. Here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now you can multiply individual terms. Okay, my 3 root 5 you can multiply with these two. Okay, see 3 3 is a 9, root 5 into root 3, 3 3 is a 9, root 5 into root 3 minus, see here minus is there. Now this number with this number. Okay, 3 root 5 into root 2 minus, here it is minus, and these two numbers root 7 into 3 root 7, sorry 3 root 3, see 3 root 7 into 3 plus, here minus into minus will becomes plus, root 7 into root 2 divided by a square, 9, 3 square means 9, 3 here this square and square root will cancel, 3 as it is minus, this also square and square root will cancel, minus 2 will. Okay, 9, 5 3 is 15 minus 3 2 5 is 10 minus 3 7 is 21 plus root 7 2 is 14 by 27 minus 2, 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 by 25. Okay, this is the answer. Next is seventh question. See here, find the value of root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimal places. Take root 2 1.14, root 5 2.236. Okay, first you have to rationalize it with the denominator, root 2 is the denominator. Okay, now you can multiply, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, root as it is. Here root 2 into root 2, 2. So 2 into 2 we should write. Next, here individual denominator you can take, root 20 by 4 minus root 10 by 4. Okay, here we can write root 20 as 2 root 5. Okay, so 2 2 will cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Okay, root 5 by 2 minus root 10 by 4 next will be. Okay, now we can substitute root 5 value here 2.236, and root 10 we can write as root 5 into root 2. Okay, now as it is write down, root 5 root 2 values both you can substitute and multiply. If you divide you can get this answer. If you multiply after you can divide by 4 means you will get this answer, which is equals to, now you can subtract, you will get the 0.327574. Okay, this is the answer for that. Next, eighth question. See, these are eighth questions are this. We can find the given values. Given questions values we have to find out. Okay, 64 1 by 6 whole power. 64 we can write as 2 power 6. Okay, so 2 power 6 whole power 1 by 6. Numerator 6 and denominator 6 will cancel. 2 is the answer. Next, 32. 32 we can write as 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. Numerator 5 and denominator 5 will cancel. 2 is the answer. Next, 625 we can write as 5 power 4. 4 times if you multiply 5 you will get 625. Okay, 1 by 4. This will be cancelled. Next is 5 is the answer. Next, 16 power 3 by 2. 16 we can write as 4 power 2. 4 4 is 16 now, so 3 by 2. Now 2 2 will cancel, 4 cube. 4 cube means 3 times we can multiply, you will get 64. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Now 243 whole power 2 by 5. 243 we can write as 3 by 5, 3 power 5 whole power 2 by 5. 5 5 will cancel, 3 power 2 will be, that is 9. Okay. Next, this number we can express as 6 power 6 whole power minus 1 by 6. 6 6 cancel, 6 power minus 1 will be, means that 1 by 6. Okay. See here, if you multiply, you will get these numbers. We have to multiply 6 times. Okay. Next, ninth question. Ninth question, we have to simplify the given expression. See, 4 root 81 we can write as 3 power 4 minus 8 into 3 cube root of 7. 343 we can write as 7 cube plus 15 into 5 root 32 we can write as 2 power 5 plus 225 we can write as 15 square. Okay. Now you can take 3 power 4 into this fourth root 2 we can write as 1 by 4. 4 4 will cancel. Next step, minus 8 into cube root 7 cube is there now, so 3 into 1 by 3 plus 15 into 2 power 5 into 1 by 5 plus 15 power 2 into 1 by 2. Now here powers will be cancel. Next, 3 minus 8 7s are 8 into 7 plus 15 into 2 plus 15. Now 3 minus 8 7s are 56 plus 15 2s are 30 plus 15. Now here you can add plus numbers. You can add all. If you add plus numbers means 48 minus 56 minus 8 is the answer. Next, 10th question. Here 10th question is given that, see, if a and b are rational numbers, find the value a and b in each of the following equations. Okay, this equation and this equation we can rationalize it first. See, first bit, it is given question, you have to rationalize with the denominator which is equal to a plus b root 6. Now a plus b into a plus b whole square by a square minus b square, which is equal to right hand side value as it is write down. This is a plus b whole square formula. You can write a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by a square minus b square. Square root will cancel, 3 minus 2. RHS as it is. Now in LHS, square root will cancel, 3 plus 2 plus root 6 as it is. 3 minus 2 means 1. This is a plus b root 6 as it is. Now 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 root 6 as it is. A denominator, the 1 is there means that value only. This now you can compare 5 plus root 6 with a plus b root 6. Now a b places what the values, 5 and 2 is there, so a is 5, b is 2. Similar method only, second bit also. You can rationalize the denominator with opposite sign of that and with RHS as it is, and you can multiply 2 into root 5 into root 5 plus root 5 into 3 root 3 means 3. Here root 3 into 5 we can write 15. These 3 as it is plus, now you can multiply these two. 2 root 15 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3 into 3. Like that only we can write. And it is in a square minus b square form we should write, which is equal to RHS as it is. Next, 10 plus 5 root 15 plus 9 divided by 20 minus 27, which is equal to RHS. Now 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 5 root 15 by, here minus 7, a minus b root 5, minus 19 by 7. Here individual denominators we should take, minus 5 root 15 by 7, a minus b root 5. Comparing this with a minus b root 5, we get a is equals to minus 19 by 7 and b is equal to 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7. See here. Here minus this there means b value only 5 by 7. But a value minus 19 by 7. Okay. I hope you understood. If you are watching first time, please subscribe my channel. So you should watch all the videos chapter wise, question wise. Okay.